When he got married, Lordship, that at that time the family of in-laws didn't disclose about the disease which she was having. जब उनको रायगढ़ लेके गए उसके बाद वापस कभी भेजे ही नहीं, ना ही इनकी वाइफ को ना ही इनकी बेटी को. एट 22/6/2021 को उनकी मृत्यु हो गई थी.
About 7 months, he again married with another lady. कभी मिलने आते भी नहीं है, बच्ची पहचानते नहीं है इनको अभी तक 6 साल से, कभी मिलने नहीं आए.
If I make a
Can't be like that. The father cannot be allowed to meet the daughter. Visiting right. He'll give the visiting right.
I'm always
सर केस ऐसा है कि जब ये स्टार्टिंग में अपनी वाइफ से शादी किए थे उस टाइम पे
Starting में शादी किया था.
sorry when he got married, Lordship, that at that time the family of in-laws didn't disclose about the disease which she was having. After getting married, he was very caring and he took the wife to Raipur for medication purpose. And after that, when they came back from Raipur, then the wife was taken away from him and they went to कौन से गाँव गए थे? जांजगीर. इन लॉज उनको रायगढ़ लेके चले गए थे. जब उनको रायगढ़ लेके गए उसके बाद वापस कभी भेजे ही नहीं, ना ही इनकी वाइफ को ना ही इनकी बेटी को. एट दैट ड्यूरेशन, लॉर्डशिप, शी डाइड इन 22/6/2021 को उनकी मृत्यु हो गई थी.
किसकी?
वाइफ की, डिसीज्ड वाइफ. After that, your lordship, within 2 months, he went to take his daughter Tanya 2/8/2021 को. Since then, they were not sending his daughter. After that, your lordship,
What is the age?
when the order was passed, your lordship, at that time,
इधर सीधा आज के डेट में एज क्या है बताओ?
above 6 years.
6 years.
Yes, your lordship.
रही है.
जांजगीर में
एडमिशन कराए हैं.
एडमिशन है लॉर्डशिप.
जी सर.
ये अपनी
Destination
ये बताएं कि अपनी नानी और मौसी के साथ रह रही है. नानी के पास है और ये कौन है साथ में? इनकी मौसी है, बच्ची की.
गाड़ी को
जी, तो आगे जाके नानी का जीवन कितना रहेगा? वो विल मेंटेन. मौसी अनमैरिड है, ये मैरिज नहीं करना चाहती है, गवर्नमेंट जॉब में है, ये यही देख रही है. इनका पूरा केयरटेकर ये मदद कर सकती है.
नहीं सर, मैं रखूंगी.
यदि बच्ची फर्स्ट उसके का राइट होता है, वो तो पेरेंट्स होते हैं, माता पिता जो भी अवेलेबल हो, दोनों के साथ रहना अच्छा है. लेकिन मदर तो नहीं रही. आफ्टर डेथ ऑफ हिज वाइफ, आफ्टर स्पेंडिंग अबाउट 7 months, he again married with another lady.
After death of the first wife, he got second marriage.
He again married. सेटल कर लीजिए. आखिर बच्ची किसके पास रहेगी लाइफ लॉन्ग? तो नेचुरल गार्जियन है ना. प्राइमा फेसी एज पर लॉ ही इज नेचुरल गार्जियन. अगर ये ना रहे, इसकी स्थिति खराब हो तो कुछ सोचा जा सकता है. ये कभी मिलने आते भी नहीं, बच्ची पहचानते नहीं है इनको अभी तक 6 साल में, कभी मिलने नहीं आए.
If I make a submission, your lordship,
After
बच्ची
passing order by the land court below, he didn't come to meet with the children.
Visiting right दे देते हैं फिर अभी.
Well-
It can't be like that. The father cannot be allowed to meet the daughter. Visiting right. He'll give the visiting right.
I'm always ready.
visiting rights है lordship.
Huh?
Visiting rights is already there for every Sunday, but
No,
looking
not
to the
in that
future.
fashion. Visiting right will expand the scope of visiting right. Not only visiting right, contact right also.
Lordship.
What he's doing?
He's doing job, lordship, since
Where?
क्या काम करते?
जिंदल में, जिंदल स्टील पावर लिमिटेड.
प्राइवेट कंपनी में.
Lordship, it has been more than 15 years he is doing job, and he is earning more than 22,000 as mentioned in the order sheet also. And in order sheet, lordship, the Masi of minor child has not disclosed that she is unfit, physically unfit. That is a major point, your lordship. Although she is earning, no doubt in that she is earning, but she is physically unfit. That has not been disclosed in the Kilonnet code.
Physically unfit to what? The girl is not, she is not supposed to run a marathon.
Lordship.
Physically unfit to your You cannot give that certificate, physically unfit or not.
Lordship.
That is someone else to give. You are not the authority.
Second
They will
marriage
also say the same thing. You are mentally disturbed.
Yes, sir.
They will also give you the certificate. You can't give them certificate physically. It is not your domain.
Lordship.
बच्चे भी हैं सेकेंड वाइफ से सेकेंड मैरिज के बाद
नहीं, बच्ची नहीं है लॉर्डशिप.
कौन क्या बोलते हैं आपको? What is your contention?
My lord, second wife has not given consent to meet the children also, my lord. And
How do you say so?
he nothing trying to meet the children. Children is also present before the court, my lord. He did not identify to the appellant.
Very unfortunate. Not identifying the father.
Nothing trying to meet till date, my lord.
What effort your client has made till date to meet?
He has been to that place, to his home, your lordship, more than 3 to 4 times. Sometimes the door was locked, or sometimes they were inside the home, but they were not allowing it to meet.
Sunday there a meeting, visitation right hai.
Lordship.
Whether he goes,
Yes, your lordship.
कहाँ जाते हैं? कितना दूर है?
रायगढ़ से आता हूँ सर मैं.
हाँ,
रायगढ़ से आता हूँ मैं मिलने के लिए.
कहाँ रहते हैं ये बच्चे?
ये लोग जांजगीर में रहते हैं. मैं रायगढ़ में रहता हूँ.
Visitation right now. And we'll fix it for final. There has to be some development relation to be developed, not in that fashion. Knee-jerk action. If we just now we send the children, she will be that will be mental trauma. As per the direction of this court, both the appellant along with the respondent and the children are present before this court.